If you are a fan of home DIY, this is the guide you will love. With this course you can do anything plastic with zero cost and also use anything that is around you. Here you will find any plan with more than 500 projects so that you can build what you want. It does not matter that you have little or much experience, with these plans you can do anything that is proposed with ease. You will have a unique approach to plastic, using a simple model, step by step, to build amazing plastic projects with great ease, as professionals do. You will have the freedom to choose between 1,000 plans to do the project that you like the most, and they are all amazing projects. You will not have the need to buy expensive tools or have a large workshop. This can be done in the garage of your home or in your yard, wherever you want. You can have thousands of dazzling projects for you without the need to spend a lot of money at a fraction of what it usually costs. Forget confusing and expensive plans. This will never happen with this plan resource. To get DIY smart plans or to see a complete revision of this material, click on the link that is found in the description below this video.